Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a rare opportunity for me to show you what to do when a flint tube of your Zippo lighter is being stuck by a piece of old flint that has been inside for many years. And as you can see, after the handful of years, the flint has basically disintegrated and cemented, which actually caused the flint wheel unable to move. So here is a quick and easy solutions if you have the appropriate tools. The things that you need will be a hand drill as well as a drill bit that is small enough to fit into the flint tube. So what you need to do now is stick the drill through the flint tube at the bottom and begin drilling through. Look at that. As soon as the drill is being turned, the flint powder has pretty much came out. But I will continue doing so if it is still not cleared. Alright, looks like I have successfully cleared the flint tube of the obstruction. Now as you can see, the flint that has been inside for many years, this is what it turns into. Sometimes there may still be remnants, residues along the walls of the flint tube. So what I do is I use a stick and scrape the wall linings of the remains. So I'll test by putting in the flint spring. If it still doesn't get through, then I'll continue scraping . Alright, finally guys, now as you can see, the tube is now clear. As long as the flint spring follower is able to be seen at the end, all is good. Alright, I hope that this video is helpful, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos of unique Zippo lighters in my collection. Thanks for watching guys, and have a great day.